Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today we're diving into a fascinating and crucial aspect of modern vehicles' automotive electronics. First off, what exactly are automotive electronics? Simply put, it's a branch of electrical engineering that deals with the application of electrics in automobiles. This includes everything from basic components to highly advanced systems. So, why are automotive electronics so important? Well, they're essential for the proper functioning of modern cars. As vehicles become more advanced, their electronic systems have become more complex. And maintaining and repairing these systems requires a skilled workforce. Let's talk about the scope of automotive electronics. It covers all aspects of a vehicle's electrical system. This includes components like batteries, starters, generators, alternators, and wiring. But it doesn't stop there. We're also talking about advanced systems such as electronic fuel injection, ignition control, and braking systems. Now let's break down the types of automotive electronics. First, there's analog electronics. These are the traditional electronics that use continuous signals. Then we have digital electronics, which use discrete signals, making them more precise and reliable. Finally, there are microprocessor-based electronics. These are the brains behind many modern vehicle systems, handling complex computations and controls. Thinking about a career in automotive electronics? There are plenty of opportunities out there. You could become a technician, an engineer, or even a manufacturer. Each role plays a vital part in ensuring our vehicles run smoothly and efficiently. So, next time you hop into your car, take a moment to appreciate the intricate electronic systems that keep you moving. Automotive electronics are not just about convenience, they're about safety, performance, and innovation. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this deep dive into automotive electronics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, drive safe.